Today we'll see how to do Trikonasana or triangle pose in 5 easy steps. To begin, come to standing, maintaining a distance of 2 to 3 feet between both your legs. Right toes pointing towards the right side of the room, left toes pointing forward. A line drawn from the heel of your right foot bisects the arch of your left foot. Step 2. Shift your pelvis towards the left, feeling a good stretch on the inside of your right thigh. Step 3. Bring your arms in line with your shoulders and reach your right arm towards the right side of the room as though someone is trying to pull you. Now bring your right hand towards your right foot. Place your palm either at the ankle, below the knee or above the knee, wherever it's comfortable for you. Your shoulders should be stacked one over the other. Step 5. Your gaze is either at your right ankle or straight ahead. Only if you feel comfortable in your neck, then look towards the left fingertips. Trikonasana or triangle pose is beneficial for all ages. It is an excellent asana for stretching and strengthening the legs, especially the hips, hamstrings, calves and ankles. It's great for flat feet. It helps to stretch and lengthen the spine, shoulders and chest, increasing overall flexibility and alignment. This pose requires a strong foundation which can improve overall balance and stability. It improves digestion by massaging the abdominal organs, relieving gastritis, indigestion, acidity and flatulence. Also helps to reduce discomfort during menstruation. Thank you for being here. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you found this video helpful, please like and share.